In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a voice room in HelloTalk app. So it's actually quite simple. Just open up the HelloTalk app, and then you have to, of course, log in with either a Google or another account, so you can create one or just use Google. And once you've done that, you can go down at the very bottom right where it says voice room, and then you want to click on that, and then there's a bunch of different voice rooms you can join. But if you want to create your own voice room, what you can do is at the very top right you can see that blue blinking microphone, so you can just click on that and then press agree. And then once you've done that, you want to do, for example, only this time, or you can allow it full time. And then once you've done this, you have to submit your application. Okay, so as you can see, this is a host application, and it means users with no violation history and who are able to bring positive content to HelloTalk voice rooms are welcome to apply to become a host. And what you have to do over here is simply do the application category. So you want to, for example, put in language learning, teaching, or entertaining and socializing. So I'm going to do this last one, and then you have to self-introduce yourself. So just write something about yourself, and after you've done that, press submit your application. And then in a few days, it's usually quite quick, they will apply you and you'll be able to create your own voice rooms, and you will essentially be able to become a host of different voice rooms and talk with other people where you are the host of that room. So that's the only way, and I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.